Hey everybody, how's it going? So I got a quick tool haul, picked up some items from Home Depot, some pressure washer items, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you guys for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? So before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon. Alright, so I picked up some power washing items from Home Depot, as well as there is one item in here from Walmart, and I'm just throwing it in because it's related to the rest of these items. So before we get started, first thing, or not before we get started, but the first thing that I'm just gonna pull out the bag real quick is picked up this Zepp all-in-one premium pressure wash. Figured I'd give it a try. I have the other pressure wash items from Zepp as well. Makes up to 28 gallons according to the bottle. It's concentrated, versatile cleaning formula, ideal for outdoor furniture, decks, vehicles, patios, and siding. And I picked it up because it said vehicles on it. Figured I'd give it a try for that. Removes stains from dirt, algae, mold, and mildew. So I picked this up. It's $9.97 for this bottle. So we're going to move this bottle over to the side. I also picked up two Milwaukee items. So this is not just pressure washers. This I did not purchase with this stuff. So I did purchase all of the pressure washer stuff first. And then what I did is I went back at the end of the day, picked up these two lights. These are the lights that take the AA batteries. I figured since Milwaukee has, they have new versions of this light in particular, as well as the pen light. They have new versions of that have non-removable batteries and they're rechargeable. I figured that these might be on the chopping block in a sense that they're going to disappear. Who knows, maybe they'll stay around, I don't know, but I picked them up just in case because, you know, if you forget to charge the Milwaukee lights that are rechargeable, then you could, you know, end up not having light when you need it. I've got a bunch of them, so it's unlikely, and I'll show you guys real quick what I mean. I have a bunch of the red lithium lights. So got these two here, I got these two right here, I got all four of these. I have all of these headlamps. There's three headlamps here. So I got a ton of these, as well as I got the little red lithium charging bank and a few other items. But you know, if you forget to charge one of these, as an example, you can always take the battery out of the unit. These are the batteries. These are the red lithium batteries. So you can always take it out of the unit. This one actually has a full charge. And put another one in, but you know, if you know the power goes out and you forgot to charge all these lights and the batteries are dead, these will come in handy because you could just put AA batteries in. It says powered by, and it shows AA batteries. So that's why I picked those up. They were technically a separate purchase, and I'll more than likely do a separate video on them as well. So we're gonna put those aside. I'll definitely do unboxing on those in a separate video. So the one item I picked up from Walmart is this Hyper Tough pressure washer wand. This is up to max 4,500 psi, and this is a 21-inch wand. So I picked this one up. I'm replacing some wands that I've had for years, and I'm replacing a wand that I have had for several years, not some wands. And then what I did is I went to Home Depot first, and I picked up this Dewalt Wand, which is a 31-inch up to 4,500 PSI. And I got this one from Home Depot as well. This one is a 36-inch. And this one comes with a quarter quick connect, compatible with most pressure washer accessories. And this one's 36-inch. This one you can actually attach to this adapter. You can attach it to the end, and then you can thread another wand on to this adapter, and then now you have two wands attached together, so you can do this 36-inch plus this 31-inch. And if you had another one of these adapters, you can also attach this 21-inch if you wanted to, so it'd be 67 inches with these two. So it'd be 88 inches in length total if you attached all three of these. And the reason I picked these up is because the wand that I have was like a 15-inch wand. I didn't have any other lengths of wands, so I figured, a 21-inch would be nice. Having a 31-inch as well, depending on what I'm doing. If I need to attach them all together, I could. If I needed, instead of attaching them together, but I needed 36 to get into a specific spot compared to the 31. I have all the different lengths. And the one last item I picked up was this pressure washer professional spray gun from Dewalt at Home Depot. This is 4,500 PSI, takes standard M22 hose and wand connections. This is Delta, X-Ray, Paul, Alpha, 4, 5, Sam, Greg. And this one actually has the little pistol grip handle. Or not pistol grip handle, but the a rifle style handle. This one has the connector right here, which this adapter right here, on this end, it's basically this end right here that you can thread a wand into, and then the other end is just quarter quick connect. But I picked all these up, figured, whoa, dropping the light. I swear this light is taking a crap ton of abuse, this aperture light. I'm not sure how I just knocked it over when it was sitting so far away, but alright, so crap happens. But I'm not going to take any of these out of the package at the moment. I'll probably do another video on them later down the road. There's no point for me to unbox them. It's just a couple pieces of plastic. You take the wand out and you're good to go. I do have a bunch of pressure washer accessories. An example, this is this guy right here, just got a male end instead of a female end. This does look like the brass is pressed on to the steel shafts for this one, at least from the Hyper Tough. So the Hyper Tough looks like a decent unit. This Hyper Tough one was 19 bucks. This guy right here, the spray gun, was 45 or maybe 49. Let me see, what's the receipt say? The spray gun was 49. The Dewalt lance, they also call this a lance. You can call it a wand, you can call it a lance. So this pressure washer spray wand from Dewalt, which this one is Delta, X-Ray, Paul, Alpha, 3-1, Sam, Whiskey. This one is $34.97, and so was this Power Care. This 36-inch and the 31-inch Dewalt, they're both $34.97. And the part number on this one is Alpha Paul 31 Edward Whiskey 01. They're all in the pressure washing section. But just wanted to be informative for you guys, give you guys some options if you guys are looking for pressure washer items. Here's a couple good items. I've never used these before. The Power Care has kind of a chromish looking finish. You can see how shiny it is. The Dewalt has a aluminum style finish, because it looks like this one might be aluminum. And this one from Hyper Tough from Walmart also has a kind of a mattish kind of chrome looking finish, but it's not as shiny as the Power Core or Power Care. But you know, that's what I picked up today. So $49.97 for the gun, $34.97, $34.97, $19.99. And then these guys were the bottle over here, this guy right here, was $9.97. And these, the flashlight was what's this receipt? The flashlight was $29.97 instead of the used to be $34.97. I picked it up for $29.97, and I picked this one up for $19. So I'll show you real quick the differences, because I have both of the red lithium variants. So these are the red lithium models that actually have the red lithium rechargeable batteries. This one right here is the stick. It has the red lithium battery in it. And then this one is the older style flashlights. Everybody knows that these have the red lithium battery. It says red lithium USB on it. This one, you twist the cap up to charge it. But these are the full-size versions. This one is 700 lumens. It's a lot heavier, a lot more bulky. You can see the size difference. And then the size difference on this one as well. So it's this guy is a lot smaller. It's definitely more compact, not as wide, not as thick. This one has a different clip. So this clip is magnetic, as well as it is a clip. Or this one's got a standard style clip, like this guy's style clip. Or this one right here, similar style clip. It's just pretty large, but I figured it'll come in handy. I usually clip this to my shirt, or my pants, whatever I'm using, wherever I need the light to be. If I need the light up higher near me, I clip it to my shirt. And this guy is pretty heavy, so this guy is a little bit lighter. Yeah, it does take regular batteries, but they do have batteries in them, high, low, off. Same with this one right here. You can test them, high, low, high, and low. So they're nice little units. I figured I'd keep them around just in case they're needed. If you want the red lithium variants, you're gonna want to pick up the bigger units. But that's all I got for you guys today. Do appreciate you guys stopping by, hanging out with us today, checking out what we picked up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Please smush the bell notification icon for future updates on things like this. Maybe, if you guys are interested, I'll do some videos on my Predator pressure washer. I have the largest model they make, which is, I believe, the 4,500 psi or 5,000 psi, something like that. And it's 4 gallons a minute. That's what I bought these for, is for that pressure washer. That's all I got for you guys today. I do appreciate you hanging out with me today, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Y'all stay safe. Peace!